Hello and welcome to Sage Life. Are you one of those people who feel like they can never get everything on their to-do list done, no matter how hard they try? Do you find yourself constantly procrastinating and struggling to focus on one task at a time? If so, you're not alone. In this video, we'll teach you a variety of handy life hacks that will help you increase your productivity and tackle your daily tasks with ease. Evaluate your goals and prioritize your tasks. The first step to having a productive day is setting clear goals and establishing a hierarchy of tasks. This means taking the time to evaluate the tasks on your to-do list and deciding which are most important and which can wait until later. Prioritizing your tasks will help you stay focused and avoid getting bogged down in unimportant details. Break tasks into chunks. Large tasks can often feel overwhelming, which can lead to procrastination or avoidance. To make them more manageable, break them down into smaller, more achievable chunks. This will help you feel more accomplished as you complete each chunk and ultimately help you stay motivated in the face of a larger task. Limit distractions. One of the biggest killers of productivity is the constant stream of distractions that surround us. To combat this, turn off your phone notifications and close irrelevant browser tabs. If necessary, consider downloading apps like Freedom or Cold Turkey that block distracting websites and apps. Take frequent breaks. Even the most productive people need to take breaks every now and then. In fact, research suggests that taking frequent breaks can actually boost productivity in the long run. So, be sure to take short, frequent breaks throughout the day to give your brain a chance to rest and recharge. Optimize your work environment. Your work environment can have a huge impact on your productivity, so take the time to optimize it for maximum efficiency. This might mean decluttering your workspace, investing in ergonomic furniture, or simply finding a work environment that suits your needs like a coffee shop or a park. Congratulations! There's the 5 easy life hacks to help you maximize your productivity and have a productive day. With these life hacking tools, you'll be able to accomplish more in less time and ultimately achieve your goals faster and more efficiently.
In a world where distractions are around every corner, it can be challenging to stay focused and productive. But with the right tools and techniques, anyone can learn to optimize their time and make the most of their day. In this video, we shared our top 5 life hacks for boosting productivity and achieving your daily goals. Remember to prioritize your tasks, break larger projects into smaller chunks, limit distractions, take frequent breaks, and optimize your work environment. By doing so, you'll be well on your way to a productive and satisfying day. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Or if you're just like whatever, leave a comment saying the video sucked.